Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Bitrue crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitrue application on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, just tap on the login/sign up button. Now, once you enter the sign up page, you have the option to use your email address or continue with your Google account. Just enter your preferred email address and tap on the Get Code button. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So go ahead and check your email and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given box, and once the code is verified, you will be able to set up a password for your account. Just enter your preferred password and then tap on the sign up button. And now your account has successfully been created. You can now tap on verification to start verifying your account, or tap on the close button to do this later. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bitrue crypto trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.